So the two-time world T20 champions, the West Indies, are up and running with a routine victory over Scotland and will face England in their next group game. And surprise, surprise, we hear Coach Darren Sammy stoking the flames of optimism, basically saying the Windies are in it to win it. And look, not because Sammy said it, but this West Indies team can actually... yes. On any given day, this batting lineup can batter any team out of any given game. No team in this tournament has the depth, experience, and raw explosiveness of this West Indies batting lineup. From Brandon King and Shea Hope, the openers, to Akil Hussain and Gudakesh Moti, number 9 and number 10. What the West Indies will have to do, though, is to bat their opponents out of the games from early. Use our batting strength to compensate for our bowling weakness. Now, like a voice note, you can leak this.